faces. I can't live a normal life. I was raised by the street, so I gotta be down with the hood team. Too much television watching got me chasing dreams. I'm an educated fool with money on my mind. Got my 10 in my hand and a gleam in my eye. I'm a low out gangster, set tripping banger, and my homies is down, so don't arouse my anger. Fool, that ain't nothing but a heartbeat away. I'm living life do or die. What can I say? I'm 23 now, but will I live and see 24? The way things are going, I don't know. Tell me why are we so blind to see that the ones we hurt are you and me? Minute after minute, hour after hour, everybody's running, but half of them ain't living what's going on in the kitchen. But I don't know what's working. They say I got to learn, but nobody's here to teach me. If they can't understand it, how can they reach me? I guess they can't, I guess they won't, I guess they front. That's why I know my life is out of luck, fool.